Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. I'd like to go through some foreign exchange charts with you, and the first one I'd like to start with is Euro-Dollar. Now, if we look at this chart, we can see there's not much of a reaction yesterday to the previous session's key reversal down, and that was at the top of the market, or recent market. It was just an indecisive spinning top action. We're still pretty close to the overhead neckline, which is currently at 114.18 of the big head and shoulders top formed over 2017 to 2018. Now this is the one with the target X in the 104.85, which I've been harping off for a while. Anyway, not much today either, just a little lower, yet still within yesterday's range so far. We're also not far nor seemingly overly interested in testing the support of the perceived strong combination of the 50% Fibonacci line of the 2019 to date move at 113.40 and the long moving average, which is just one tick underneath it at 113.39. The question is still, is this enough to counter last week's weekly key reversal up? The next chart I'd look at is cable, sterling against the US dollar. There's a small follow-on lower yesterday to the more distinct key reversal down here in the previous session compared to the euro-dollar. We're still between the overhead resistance, currently 127.58, and the support below, which is currently 125.71, of the descending upper and middle time, respectively, of the bearish 2019 Andrews pitchfork that's been pointing this market down since May. The market today pushed down back into the small congestion zone from earlier in June, between 126.80 and 127.5. Recent actions have heavily dented but not yet removed the idea that these moves, or at least most of these moves of the whole of 2019 so far, are a head and shoulders top with a split head. If this carries on lower, then the target X on the downside will be in the 123.45 area. Next one is Euro Sterling. Now here we have a fifth bullish white soldier yesterday, a new recent high and continuing follow on to the recent small bullish harami pattern. However, what it really looks like is an indecisive spinning top, and also one that's right at the top of the current market. Not such good news for the bulls, perhaps, considering the market made a key reversal up just recently. One other interesting feature, though the market has repeatedly penetrated the resistance of the 61.8% Fibonacci line of the old October to December 2016 move at 89.59, it has yet to close over it. Finally, please still remember, with a rare monthly key reversal up last month, so add that to the mix. The next one I'd like to look at is the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Now we have a bullish long white Mariposa yesterday as the market reacted brilliantly after reaching the old target X at about 107 even. In case you forgot, this was the bear flag target for the action from November 2018 today, exclusive of the flash of course. Anyway, the market spun on a sixpence and reverted back up. Admittedly, it did seem to have the help of the oft-mentioned middle time of the bearish April to May shift pitchfork. That's currently at 107.13 on its way up. This had been acting as an attractor in recent days. However, in achieving target X, it may have seen enough for now of the downside. Today we've extended the rise and we're now approaching the upper time, currently 108.24, of the same bearish shift pitchfork. Finally, the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. A counter yesterday to the previous session's indecisive spinning top pattern with a bullish long white Mariposa that punched up through and closed over the upper time, currently 69.59, of the bearish April to June shift pitchfork. This pitchfork now looks set to retire. Today, we've moved even higher and so far we've just edged up over the nearest overhead lesser Fibonacci line at 69.91. Overall, nothing in the big picture has really changed. We're still working lower between the upper time, currently 70.56, and the middle time, currently 67.57, of the big bearish December 2018 to January 2019 shift pitchfork. And that's where I'd like to leave you and wish you good trading.